Today I have installed this game, and when I tried to launch this game, I got this error: failed to Initialize Watchdog, failed to start service. To fix this problem, you just need to select the number one option, press number one key to continue. Now press the one key to restart now. After pressing the one key, it will automatically restart your PC and the startup settings page will appear. You need to press the 7 key to disable driver signature enforcement. Once you disable this driver signature enforcement, I will guide you after that. Once you done the steps, it will boots up into the Windows. Now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. Select the number 2 option and the game will starts now. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.